In this video, we'll be telling about one application that will help you to record audio and video in Dolby sound. We are not telling about any third-party application. This is official application from Dolby. App name is Dolby On. Here you can see app developers is Dolby Laboratories. Anyways, after installing this application, open this application. App link is given in the description. When you are using this application for the first time, you need to give some permissions. After that, before recording, down here you can see settings option. Click on this settings and here you can see some options. If you want to add countdown timer, you can add that. If you want to record lossless audio, you can turn this on, and here export settings option is there. If you want to set default location for saving audio and video, you can set that. Here audio file location option is there. Here video file location option is also there. After clicking on this, select the folder which you want to save this audio. Likewise, you can set it for video also. Anyways, after that, in first page, you can see some options like this. Center, you can see a button like this. This is for audio. Just click on this and your audio recording will be started. And when you are clicking on this button, recording audio will be finished. And likewise, here video option is there. Just click on this and you can record video from here. Just click on this record button and video recording will be started. And here one live streaming option is there, but here it is only showing Twitch. If you are having Twitch account, you can use this. And if you want to see this recorded files, here you can see one option. Click on this button and when you are clicking on that, you can see every recorded file. Just click on this file and you can hear that voice. If you want to save this video or audio to gallery, what you need to do is click on this audio or video, and after clicking on that, down here you can see one share button. Click on this share button. When you are clicking on that, you can see some options. If you want to save this as audio, click on save audio, or if you want to save video, click on this share button, and here you can see share video option. Click on this, and in this file one option is coming like this because this is audio. By adding visuals, it will convert to video. After selecting any visuals, click on select. That audio will be saved as video. And if you have recorded video, you can save video directly. If you want to delete any file, just long press on that file and here you can see delete button. So this way you can record video and audio in Dolby sound. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.